Brake fluids for high-performance cars are essential to ensure reliable braking, heat resistance, safety, and consistent performance under extreme driving conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best brake fluid that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Valvoline Brake Fluid. This brake fluid is designed for dependable performance and compatibility, making it a practical choice for both maintenance and upgrades. Its ability to mix well with conventional fluids ensures easy integration during top-ups or system servicing without requiring a full fluid flush, adding convenience for everyday users and mechanics alike. The low-moisture formula is a key strength, significantly reducing water absorption over time, which helps prevent vapor lock and maintains consistent braking pressure even under high heat conditions. This makes it especially valuable for demanding driving situations where brake temperatures can rise rapidly. Ideal for both hydraulic and disc brake systems, it delivers stable, reliable stopping power across a wide range of vehicles. Overall, it offers a balanced combination of safety, compatibility, and performance stability, ensuring smoother braking response and long-term protection for critical brake components in both regular and high-performance driving environments. Now our second product is modal brake fluid. This non-silicone synthetic brake fluid is engineered for high-performance hydraulic actuated brake and clutch systems, delivering consistent reliability under demanding driving conditions. Its extreme thermal resistance and stability ensure that braking performance remains strong even under prolonged heat buildup, making it ideal for spirited driving and heavy-duty use. By effectively resisting brake fade, it maintains sharp, predictable stopping power during repeated or aggressive braking situations. The fluid's high wet boiling point of 399 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius plays a crucial role in minimizing vapor lock, ensuring the hydraulic system stays responsive even when moisture contamination is present over time. This results in safer, more stable braking performance in both everyday and high-stress environments. Overall, it offers a professional-grade solution for drivers who need durability, heat management, and consistent pedal feel, helping maintain optimal braking efficiency and clutch operation across a wide range of performance and automotive applications. Our third product is Bosch Brake Fluid. Bosch ESI 6 is a next-generation brake fluid engineered for modern braking systems, combining low viscosity with a high wet boiling point of 365 degrees Fahrenheit to deliver fast hydraulic response and strong heat resistance. Its advanced formulation ensures smoother and more consistent braking performance, especially in vehicles with ABS and electronic stability systems, where fluid flow efficiency is critical. One of its standout advantages is its extended service life, lasting 100% longer than DOT3, 50% longer than DOT4, and 10% longer than DOT 5.1, reducing maintenance frequency while maintaining reliability. It is backward compatible with DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 systems, making it a versatile upgrade for most vehicles since 1990. Enhanced lubricity helps reduce wear, noise, and internal component stress, improving long-term system health. Now number 4, Prestone Brake Fluid. This brake fluid is engineered to deliver a strong extra margin of safety under extreme braking conditions, ensuring reliable performance when it matters most. Its advanced blend of polyglycol ethers prevents the formation of dangerous vapor at high operating temperatures, maintaining consistent hydraulic pressure even during prolonged or aggressive braking. This stability is especially beneficial for modern systems like ABS, as well as traditional disc and drum brake setups, ensuring broad compatibility across vehicles. One of its key strengths is maintaining firm pedal feel, effectively avoiding the spongy response that can compromise braking confidence. With both wet and dry boiling points exceeding minimum government standards, it offers dependable resistance to heat and moisture-related performance loss. Overall, it provides a balanced combination of safety, durability, and responsiveness, making it a reliable choice for drivers who demand consistent braking power in both everyday driving and high-stress emergency situations. And our last choice is Amalie Brake Fluid. This DOT-3 brake fluid is designed to deliver reliable and consistent braking performance across a wide range of everyday vehicles, ensuring safety even under high heat and heavy-duty driving conditions. Engineered to meet and exceed FMVSS number 571116, SAE J 1704, and ISO 4925 standards, it guarantees dependable performance for both disc and drum braking systems. Its multi-vehicle compatibility makes it a practical choice for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other DOT-3 specified systems, offering flexibility for diverse applications. The formula is easy to use and store, packaged in a convenient 12-ounce bottle that remains effective for up to 5 years when properly sealed in a climate-controlled environment. Backed by Amalie, a trusted family-run American brand since 1903 and widely recognized by major retailers, it reflects long-standing quality and reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.